Hi, I'm Madison, and I'm going to be talking about microaggressions and their relationship to adjustment outcomes. So, adjustment outcomes can be many things, but for the purpose of the research I'm talking about, we're going to say that adjustment outcomes are basically things like internalizing one's problems, stress, and negative feelings. So this is needed because microaggressions can be interpreted very differently for people. It's pretty subjective. Everyone can have very different experiences and emotions around microaggressions. So this research helps with detailing this. The Wikipedia page I added to is the microaggression page under the effects section. This page is rated with a C, which means that it's an intermediate article with room for improvement. And I would agree with this, but I would also say that the current state of this page is pretty detailed. There are many sections that range from categories of microaggressions to where you can find them, as well as critiques to microaggressions. I would say that the Wikipedia page is mostly sufficient. I would personally like to see more about research on victim blaming, since there's an extensive section on the culture of victimhood. And I would also like to see more on the effects of microaggressions on people. Research seems to be relatively new, so there isn't a lot of long-term effects of microaggressions on people. So that's something that I would like to see. What I added to the Wikipedia page is a little paragraph in the effects section that talks about the correlation between microaggression and the adjustment outcomes that I mentioned earlier. What was found was a statistically significant correlation between the two, especially for certain groups like race, LGBTQIA plus community members, and people with certain health statuses. We see that the two are correlated, but of course, as we know, correlation does not equal causation. Thank you.